The Cezanne colored pencils now come in 120 color tin. These colors are super vibrant and highly pigmented, and all of the light fast ratings are either good or very good. With the 120 color set, you have a wide array of colors with a variation of tones. As you can see here in this piece, all of the different purples and pinks and reds and oranges. It's wonderful. The tin has a double hinge, which makes it extremely durable, and it has 3 trays of colors, which are easily removed so that you can see all of your colors when you're drawing. The pencils themselves have a dipped colored end as well as a number to identify each one, so you can easily find what you're looking for. All of these are extremely soft. The wax binder is very unique and makes these very, very good for blending and layering. And then my favorite part of this is that the lead itself is bonded to the wood, and so whenever you drop these pencils, the lead inside isn't going to break. So the pencils themselves are extremely durable, the case is very durable, and you have a really wide variety of colors and shades. These colored pencils are great if you just want to play, but they're professional quality and you can create your best artwork with them. These are by far the best value that I've ever found on any colored pencil, but of course with Jerry's there's a money back guarantee, so if you don't love them as much as I do, you can always return them for a full refund, but I know that you will love them.